Good morning, entrepreneurs and builders. Welcome to the Breaking Business Podcast, where we don't just talk marketing and entrepreneurship, we dissect it, we challenge it, we extract those golden nuggets that you can actually use every single day. Business is in your blood, and I'm here to make it boil. I'm your host, Dr. Wood. Now let's break it down and build something great. Forget what you think you know about the top cities for a marketing career. While most of the buzz is still around London or New York, something else is happening. A new wave of forward-thinking marketers is looking towards a different kind of destination, a nation that has been strategically building a powerful ecosystem for the future of digital marketing. By the end of this video, you'll know which country is making this ambitious play and why it might be the smartest career move you've never considered. The problem, the premise. For decades, the path for an ambitious marketer seemed pretty clear. Move to a major Western hub, New York, London, San Francisco. These were the undisputed centers of the marketing universe, home to the biggest agencies and brands. But that shine is starting to fade. Today, these cities are a paradox. They're oversaturated, incredibly expensive, and the competition is brutal. The very opportunities that once drew people in are now being squeezed by their own success. Marketers in these classic hubs are in a daily fight. The cost of living is sky high, with a huge chunk of your salary going straight to rent, leaving very little to save or invest. The competition isn't just for jobs, it's for projects, for recognition, for a real chance to innovate. This high-pressure cooker of an environment often leads to burnout, crushing the very creativity that marketing needs to thrive. It can feel like your career has hit a ceiling, stuck in a traffic jam of talented people all fighting for the same handful of senior roles. What's more, the work culture in many of these legacy cities still glorifies the daily grind over actual work-life balance, and high taxes can take a serious bite out of your earnings. The smartest people in our field are starting to ask a critical question. Is this really the best place to build a future-proof career and a life I actually enjoy? They're realizing the old model might be broken and that the biggest opportunities might not be in the most obvious places anymore. They've started looking for a location that offers not just a job, but a whole ecosystem built for growth, innovation, and a better quality of life. The investigation, building the case. So, if the old hubs are showing their age, where are savvy marketers looking next? To figure this out, we need to look at the core ingredients that make up a modern marketing launchpad. There are three big clues. First, you need the right talent ecosystem. A great location can't just have a few skilled people, it needs a deep dynamic, and this is crucial, a multilingual and multicultural talent pool. Modern marketing is global. Your campaigns have to connect across dozens of cultures. A workforce that looks and thinks the same is a massive disadvantage. The perfect hub has to be a magnet for global talent, attracting the best minds from all over the world with smart, forward-thinking policies. It needs to be a true melting pot where different perspectives mix to create marketing that works for a global audience. The second clue is future-proof infrastructure. And this is about way more than just fast Wi-Fi. We're talking about a national commitment to technology woven into the fabric of the country. The ultimate marketing hub needs world-class internet speed and reliability because in our world, a split-second delay can kill a campaign. It also needs a government that's actively pushing for things like AI and big data, with smart city projects and a regulatory environment that encourages new ideas. When a government invests in becoming a digital-first nation, it gives marketers the tools to do the work of tomorrow, today. The third and final clue is a huge concentration of opportunity. A great marketing scene needs a critical mass of companies, from nimble startups to the world's biggest brands, all setting up a major presence. This creates a vibrant ecosystem of jobs, partnerships, and networking. The ideal location would have business-friendly policies, like tax incentives that encourage global companies to open their regional headquarters there. This concentration of corporate power and startup energy is what turns a city into a true industry hub. It's where careers accelerate and where the next big ideas are born. The reveal. So, when you look for a place with a deep and diverse talent pool, government-led digital infrastructure, and a massive concentration of opportunity, a few key players emerge. While established hubs like Singapore have become dominant forces in Asia, there is one nation making some of the most aggressive and strategic moves on the world stage. The country that is making a powerful case for itself as the next big destination for marketers is the United Arab Emirates. Specifically, the city of Dubai has transformed itself into a major global contender. For years, many saw it as a luxury travel spot or a finance hub, but behind the scenes, it has been executing a deliberate strategy to become a world leader in tech, innovation, and digital talent. It has worked to solve many of the pain points marketers face in traditional hubs and created an environment that is not just business-friendly, but life-friendly. The UAE isn't just trying to keep up with the future of marketing, it's aggressively trying to build it. The proof and payoff. So what makes the UAE and Dubai in particular such a compelling choice? Let's look at the evidence. First, the talent ecosystem is incredible. Expatriates make up nearly 90% of the UAE's population, creating a naturally multicultural environment that is a huge advantage for any global marketing team. This isn't an accident. The UAE government has rolled out smart visa programs designed to attract the world's best. The Golden Visa offers long-term residency to skilled professionals, while the Remote Work Visa lets marketers live in Dubai and enjoy a tax-free income while working for companies anywhere in the world. This has created an amazing concentration of skilled, multilingual talent in media, tech, and marketing. Second, the infrastructure is engineered for the future. The UAE has invested heavily in creating a world-class digital backbone, boasting some of the fastest mobile internet speeds globally and an internet penetration rate of over 99%. But it's the government's vision that really stands out. The National Strategy for Artificial Intelligence 2031 is a clear plan to make the United Arab Emirates a world leader in AI. This government-led push means marketers there have access to and are encouraged to use cutting-edge tools for everything from predictive analytics to personalized campaigns. Finally, let's talk opportunity and lifestyle. The UAE's business-friendly environment, including its famous tax-free policies on personal income, has made it a magnet for global giants like Google, Meta, Samsung, and Adobe, all of whom have established a significant presence there. This creates a constant demand for top marketing talent in a dynamic job market where career growth can be incredibly fast. And what about the lifestyle? While the cost of living in prime areas of Dubai can be just as high as London, the zero-income tax policy means your take-home pay can be significantly higher. For many, that trade-off, combined with the UAE's reputation as one of the safest countries in the world, is a powerful draw. Call to action and conclusion. So, the United Arab Emirates, with Dubai at its core, has meticulously crafted an environment to attract the modern marketer. It has brought together a globally diverse talent pool, state-of-the-art infrastructure, and a huge concentration of opportunity. It's an intentional move to challenge the burnout, saturation, and high costs of traditional hubs while offering a different vision for quality of life. This isn't just a passing trend. It signals a potential shift in the global landscape of our industry. Marketers who move there aren't just changing their address, they're making a strategic bet on a different kind of future. So, what do you think? Does this combination of career opportunity, infrastructure, and lifestyle make the UAE an attractive option for you? Or do you believe traditional hubs like London and New York, or established Asian powerhouses like Singapore, still hold the crown? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We read every single one, and we're genuinely curious to hear your perspective. If you found this breakdown useful, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We'll keep exploring the biggest trends shaping careers in marketing and business to give you the insight you need to stay ahead. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.